So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording, and that is just the story of my life. That's okay. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Deborah here, your host with the most. Today I am going to be doing a affordable makeup look. So it's not drugstore, but most of the items will be drugstore. There are some things that are not from the drugstore just because I don't have them, or I just don't like the quality of it, so I used a higher end product, but they're still pretty affordable, pretty like maybe like £20 or so like that. So it's still going to be affordable-ish, I should say. It's affordable-ish, okay? If you guys like this video, or if you just want to become part of the family, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the family. Follow me on Instagram as well. We're almost hitting 4K. I'm literally like 50 followers away from 4K, so please follow me on Instagram and hit up the comments and hit up the like button and hit up the subscribers and all of that. For anybody that may be wondering, yes, I am still in Canada. I am still here. I do have plans of coming back, obviously, but just not now. I'll be back when I want to. First things first, obviously we need to prime. So I do have a couple primers that I like to use that are affordable and from the drugstore. These are mainly based in the UK. Yeah, I like these two. They're MUA Makeup Academy Pro-based primers. I'm going to use the banana primer today because this is for blurring and it has a mattifying finish, which I do want. I'm also going to be using this foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I got it in shade... I don't know what shade I got. I got it in shade Mocha. It's number 360. So I do hope that this foundation matches my skin tone. I hope that it oxidizes a bit, because the one after this was a bit too dark for my skin, so I just didn't want to get it. The other foundation I recommend from the drugstore is from L'Oreal True Match. This foundation, babanging, okay? It's babanging. If you've ever used it or you ever seen somebody that used it, you know that your skin will just glow. Like, it has hyaluronic acid in it, I believe, and it has like some gold speckles in it as well, which gives you that extra glow, which I am all for. However, today, because summer is coming, I'm gonna need a more mattifying finish foundation, so I'm trialing a few, and this is one of them that I'm going to try. So this foundation is $10.99 on Superdrug, so it is definitely affordable. The L'Oreal Infallible is actually, I want to say, around that same price point of like $8.99 or $9.99. Oh, this is, she thick. She really thick. So I'm not going to color correct today because I do want to see how this applies on my face. If I was going to color correct, I would normally just use my off-camera concealer to color correct my face and see how that goes. This might be a bit too light for my face, and I'm really upset already. That's really upsetting. Let's see if it oxidizes. If it doesn't oxidize, then I'm just going to have to use a high-end foundation. I should have bought two shades. I knew it. But that other shade just looks so dark. Let me bring out my pineapple mirror. I think Eunice I can't say her surname, Asidu, I don't know. On Instagram, my friend, whether she likes it or not, we told each other, listen, all of this Insta is that we are friends. Okay, actually, the heck. Eunice, my friend, said to me that she's missed the pineapple in my videos, and you know what, me too, I've missed the pineapple. So I'm actually dedicating this whole month of April to makeup videos so that my pineapple can be here with us, okay? I think this is alright. I think I can make this work. It's a little, like, it's just a tad bit too light, but I can definitely make it work. Just going to apply it with a brush on my face. It is definitely full coverage, baby. I quite like this. It is definitely, without a shadow of a doubt, it is definitely full coverage and matte. And that 30 hour thing might just be a thing. Up to 30 hour wear, full coverage foundation, light as airfill. I wouldn't say it's light as airfill. I can definitely feel like I have something on my face. Transfer resistant, seamless matte finish, oil free. Well, how can there be oil if it's matte? Anyways. I'm not a cosmetologist, so let me actually just stop talking. The concealer I'm going to use today is the NYX Born to Glow concealer. It is definitely a more dewy concealer, but like with most concealers that I have tried, when you apply a dewy concealer or just like a demi matte concealer on top of a matte foundation, it does tend to change the finish of it and change the texture just slightly. I'm using this in shade, I never remember what shade I got, Mahogany. This is £9, so again, definitely affordable. Just going to apply this under my eye. I do want to get another shade in this because I feel like I can get a shade that is closer to my skin tone and then use this as a highlighter on the days that I don't really want a massively bright under eye. But just on top of this, if this is not bright enough, like how I would want it, I'm going to take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in, I think, shade Chestnut and apply it on top. Do you guys like to apply concealer on your chin? I don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with sometimes. I don't know, sometimes it looks really great, sometimes it's just pulling grey. It doesn't really, you know. Most of the, like, if you guys know me by now, you know that my English is not really English, like it is part English, because I'll really be saying, you know, like asking you to fill in the blank, like this is not comprehension school, like hello. Using a brush as well. This is from AliExpress. I don't really spend a lot of money on brushes just because, not that they're not worth it, because they definitely are. And for example, like I want to get my hands on the Joy Adenuga brushes because they look really good, but they are pricey. Do you know what I mean? I think for the whole set it's like £70, and it's just like, with £70 I can buy so much, but when you have the money to buy things like that, you won't be thinking about it. But right now, I need to cut my coat according to my size, okay? So I'm blazing through this because there isn't much to a foundation routine. Like, you can obviously take your time and really like blend, but after a while, like what is it that you're really doing? Like, guy, like hurry up. For my contour, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in shade 10R10C. This is quite dark. It's darker than my face, so it will blend nicely as a contour. Oh, I wish I had the darkest shade in the e.l.f. Camo Concealer because I would use that, but I don't have it to hand right now, so this is why I'm using a foundation. Just going to apply it. Foundations work well. I mean, really and truly, a foundation is just a thicker, a concealer is just a thicker foundation, let's be real. Like, what did they really, like, what jazz are they really using for us, like? Okay, so as you saw, I had to apply a little bit of concealer from the e.l.f. Camo Concealer just because I wanted that extra boost of coverage, and you know, just blended that out with the same brush. And yeah, I applied a little bit on my forehead and to my nose. So now, because I don't have a loose powder from the drugstore or that's really affordable, in the right shade, that is, I'm going to use a Fit Me powder instead. I'm going to take the pressed powder instead in shade 350, which is a little more warm and yellow toned, which I like for an under eye setting. I'm just going to take a loose brush like this, which, not loose, a smaller brush like this from Mix and Blend Beauty. So it's just going to give me a light coverage, but it will definitely pack the punch, trust me. You can definitely see the difference in between like my non-set eye and my set eye. You can definitely see that it has taken up all that oil and excess product and definitely mattified her. Okay, I'm really liking how my face is looking. It's looking very matte, which is exactly what I want from this foundation. I'm gonna do eyeshadow just because I know there are some moments where you still want to use an affordable makeup like base, but you still want like that glam look. I'm going to use the Patricia Bright palette, the Rich in Life one. This has like more shades that are really nice and like black girl friendly. The other one is like very bold colors for like more like artistry than anything. So I'm just going to do like a nice soft glam look with this, because I don't see anybody doing bold glam in the middle of the heat. Like, who is doing that? No one. Okay, so I've done my eyeshadow off camera. I basically use 3 eyeshadows, or 4 even. If you guys want me to do like an in-depth routine on how I do like my simple eyeshadows, then let me know, but there isn't much to it. It will be like a 5-second video, so I don't really know yet. But yeah, I applied my lashes. So my lashes are from a brand that I cannot remember the name of. My eyelashes are from a brand called Namani Cosmetics on Instagram. That is where I get all my lashes from. They used to be called something else before, so I could never remember their name, but now I know it's called Namani Cosmetics. They sell them for it's very affordable. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, their lashes are like $5.99, $4.99, like, and they're always so fluffy and so full. So definitely check them out on Instagram, they're great. Now this is one of the products that is going to be affordable, it's not going to be drugstore, and it's this Brow Melanin Makeup Loose Powder in medium deep. This is a very nice powder to set your face with, and it's not pressed, so it is loose, so you have to be careful with it, but I do like the coverage it gives and the finish it gives, and the color is just gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now let's get into the bronzer. I'm going to be using my Revolution Glow bronzer in shade Dark, because that's what works for me, and it's the most affordable one I have at the moment. This was, I think, £8 probably. The only issue that I have with it is that it is very powdery, and it does like to just spill everywhere. I'm going to apply that to my cheeks and warm up my cheeks a bit. This will never give me the same type of bronze that the Fenty bronzer gives me in Mocha Mummy, but it does do enough. Like, it does enough. I'm gonna go with my Chem Beauty blush in shade Marley. I don't know, I always sit here and I struggle to open this thing. Okay, there we go. I'm going to use this in shade Marley. I've not used this in a while, but if you're looking for something that you can just go and pick up in the store, I would definitely recommend the Nip and Fab blush palette, which is £5. It has a wider range of shades than the Chem Beauty that one does, like, because obviously it's in one pan, right? But they are really great shades. I tend to just mix them all up and apply it, but it works so beautifully. For my highlighter, I don't have an affordable like in the store drugstore one, but I do have my Forever Golden Lashes pigment in shade Bronzed Glow. You can get this on their page, on their website forevergoldenlashes.com, or go on their Instagram Forever Golden Lashes. I do believe I have a discount code. I'm not sure if it's still working, but you can give it a try. I think it's like Debo10 or something like that. Just apply it where it needs to go. I have to be like, I'm very scared of highlighters sometimes, especially loose pigments, because they just tend to go everywhere and then they mess up the whole thing, and I just hate that. I hate that for me, you know? I really like how this is turning out. And this is mostly drugstore. Like, baby, you don't need to spend a fortune on makeup. It's actually more about the application. And I basically did all of this with, no, not basically, I used only brushes to create this look. So it is really not just about like using beauty blenders and making sure you blend and finish your face. Like, just take your time with it, have a bit of fun with it. You could turn out looking like a Betty like me. My eyebrows, like I said, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift eyebrow pencil. This is a really great eyebrow pencil. It is £5 in the drugstore, or yeah, I got it. I think I got it for about $6.99. This is lit. This brow pencil is £3 English, and it slaps. It really does slap. Like, £3. I'm gonna keep on buying this. Like, obviously the thing with these ones is that it doesn't have the most product in it because it's not a pencil that you can sharpen, but for £3 I am mad at that. Okay, so just to finish off my makeup look, I'm just going to do my lips real quick because I don't want this video to be 500 minutes long. Just going to sharpen this up. I'm using shade 321, of course, and I'm going to line my lips. I'm so annoyed. I actually went to Walmart today. I should have looked at their lip liners from NYX. I totally forgot. Just applying that heavily. I literally cover most of my lip with this. So today is going to be one of those days where I'm going to have to use a concealer as my lipstick because I don't have anything. So I'm just using the same concealer I've been using all day, which is the NYX Born to Glow concealer. I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in shade Fortune Cookie. Now, I'm not really a fan of you know, butter glosses just because of the size. Like, it's so small, I don't understand, but I'm going to use it today. So I'm going to take it one step further and apply the Kiko lip gloss in shade number 8. So I'm going to take the Mix and Blend Beauty Clear Gloss in shade Crystal. I'm going to take a brush and apply this at the perimeter of my lips, so basically where the lip liner starts. There we go. Gonna spray my face, do my hair, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I feel glowy and beat, if I do say so myself. It's nice and simple, and I don't feel like it was that many steps. You guys tell me if it was that many steps. There is a video idea that I have that would be even like more simple, so I might still do that video as well where I use less products, but you guys let me know if this is something you think is helpful, and if it was difficult to do, let me know if you recreate this look. I would love to see you. Tag me on Instagram, tag me everywhere. Like, I just want to see it. I'm saying it everywhere, but I only have Instagram and YouTube. But anyways, but yeah, I would definitely love to see if you guys like do this look and how you do it and all of that good stuff. I will catch you all in my next video. Please make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and make sure to follow me on Instagram because I will keep you updated on when my new uploads are coming. But we're definitely bringing it hard this month of April. I am saying it and I'm going to stick to it. It's on camera, so now it is permanent. Okay, but yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you all another time. Bye.